All right, welcome back to Grow Your Niche. Today, we're talking about why shorts are so important, but also why they're not. And we're gonna bust the myths behind them.
Ow, I'm really mad.
Because I'm sure, as you know, if you've been scrolling the internet, trying to figure out a way to make millions of dollars or tens of thousands of dollars or that 10K a month, people are always telling you, you can make 10K a month doing shorts, or whatever the magic number is. It seems to be 10K. Now look, while it's theoretically possible, it's highly, highly unlikely. And I will jump in and show you my statistics from all my free accounts, showing you what I have earned from shorts. And yes, just to bust some of these myths about shorts. All right, here is my analytics page for one of my YouTube channels, and I'll go through a couple of them with you there. Now, I'll just be completely honest and transparent. Now, this isn't one of the biggest YouTube channels. So far, I've made just under $1,200 US from this faceless channel. It will show you, each month kind of what I have made. As you can see, it's just been slowly growing. $30, $30, $40, and so on. It's been growing up to 70. And look, it keeps growing. This is a growing channel. And you can see here, it shows you individually. This particular video, folding up a tent, has made me $135 US. Now that tent only cost me 20 bucks to buy. And the video, well, it just took my time to make it for free. This place, I went on a trip to an island. That cost me 60 Australian dollars. I have made 93 US. So I make back some of the money on my videos, and I make a lot of these videos. As you can see here, it shows you what I've made with each video. And the goal for this channel is just to make as many videos as possible. And these videos just keep on paying me. This channel really is an evergreen content channel. Let's get into the shorts. Okay, this will surprise you. 20 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents. And remember, this is lifetime views. So, as you can really see, you do not make a lot of money from shorts. Just to give you a bit of an idea of what these are getting, so far I have made 300,000 views, and that's made me $5. Yes, $5 with 300,000 views of my shorts. When it comes to shorts, look, I don't have the highest numbers. Don't give up your day job. Let's go into another channel of mine. Here you can see another channel. Now, this channel wasn't monetized until that long ago, only been monetized a couple of months. So obviously the revenue is going to be a lot smaller than the other one. So far off my videos, I've made $275 US, and off my shorts, a whopping 80 cents. Yes, 80 cents on my shorts. Let's talk about why they can be important and what they should be used for. Shorts are a great way to build an audience fast, to get extra subscribers to your channel. And while they can also bring tens of thousands of views to your other videos, shorts themselves are not really going to make you any money. So I had spoken to another YouTuber who had shown me one of his shorts that had over 17 million views. I'm not sure what you would think that you would be getting paid for 17 million views, but it was about $1,000. Now, look, I wouldn't mind $1,000, but wow. But what are the chances your short is going to get 17 million views? Yes, it's possible. But that's a lot of work for not what you might think is the biggest reward. Now, he did tell me that that short also then led to have him get tens of thousands of subscribers. But when I went through the analytics with him, he actually showed me that his channel wasn't even actually making that money compared to mine, because it all really came off that one short and nothing else. Now, shorts will pay you about 100 times less than any long form content, and on other platforms even less than that. So it's important to understand why you're doing them and not to have too much expectations from them. As I said, they are really important to grow your fan base. The reasons why shorts work compared to long form videos is that when you are creating long form content, it's mainly content that people have either been recommended or that people are typing in and actually searching for, content that offers value, content that people are literally seeking out. When you're making shorts, and this goes the same for like TikTok, for Instagram, you're just randomly scrolling. And what these platforms will do is show your short or your reel to a bunch of people. If it has good engagement, it will then decide, okay, we're going to show this to a bunch of more people that are just randomly scrolling. But people aren't actually searching out this content. Now, while it is possible to search out shorts, it's not something people generally do. It's just when you're sitting there doom scrolling. So that's how shorts work in the sense of the algorithm. It's generally not search-based content. I recently also spoke to another big YouTuber, or at least I thought they were a big YouTuber. They had tens of thousands of followers. Sometimes when you go to collaborate with someone who you think is a bigger YouTuber, and then you ask them personally, hey, what do you actually earn? And then you find out they're earning less than you, who you might consider yourself a smaller YouTuber. You then start to think, well, what's going wrong with them? And one, it could be the audience, who the videos are going to. But then I noticed they had 300 shorts, but only one long form video. I make 95% of my profit from my long form videos. Please don't get too lost up in the shorts game. Understand what they are for. They are there to build an audience. And also in YouTube, you can then relate that video to another video. It's actually in the setup options, which I'll go through with you. And when you're uploading the short, you can choose it to then say, this is my long form, this short has to do with my long form. Now, maybe your short doesn't have to do with your long form, and that's fine. As I said, the purpose of the shorts are to bring extra subscribers and extra views to your channel, but those views won't pay. And also, short views don't count towards your monetization process unless you've got 10 million views. For example, if you go on the earn button and you see what the criteria is to get monetized, it will show you need 4,000 watch hours, but that is only for the long form. Then you'll see another criteria below for the shorts, and it is huge. Let's be realistic. All these people telling you that you can make millions of dollars off shorts, maybe think again and don't put in all your time and effort just into that. Long form content is where it's at. Shorts are just there to build your audience. Anyway, I hope you found this useful. If you have, tell me your story. What has been your most successful short, and why do you think that is? Leave a comment below, and please, to help support grow this channel, hit the like button. We'll see you next time.